N dash. The N dash is slightly longer in length than the hyphen and shorter than the M dash. This dash indicates a period of time, distance, or a range of numbers. Think of it as to or through. For example, I had to reach pages 90 to 150 for my assignment. The opening hours are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. She travelled from America to Europe. M dash. This dash adds emphasis to the sentence. The M dash can be used instead of round brackets, commas, or colons. For example, she is scared of two things, heights and spiders. So in this sentence, we have colons. However, instead, we can write, she is scared of two things, heights and spiders. Another example is, I went to the shop, but it was closed. In this sentence, we have a comma. Instead, we can write it as, I went to the shop, but it was closed. As you can see, the M dash has replaced the comma in this sentence. The sentences are the same, however, the M dash adds emphasis.